In this lesson, we will generate a new web module and look at its structure. If we want to create a new web Red app, the first step is to generate a new web module that will be its base. We can achieve this using concierge. To generate a new web module, we can use ngv-init command. When you run this command, you will see a command prompt that requires you to enter all the most important information about the Red app. So let's pass in some sample data, starting with bundle symbolic name that has to be in reverse domain name notation. Project author. As you will see, most of this information is quite self-explanatory. Email, phone number, company name, contact person, bundle name, that is a user-friendly name of the bundle, website, and Red app ID, which we'll leave blank for now. Generating a new web module takes a few seconds. Let's take a look at the structure of the generated web module in VS Code. Some of the files we can find here are, for example, configuration files or license files, and there is no need to touch them. When it comes to the files that the Red app developer works with, let's start with package.json. Here we can define Red app dependencies under build dependencies. Currently, we have only Sabre NGV app and Sabre NGV core defined, which are the only required dependencies. Let's open a source folder next and look at the manifest.json file. Here we will find information passed in during web module initialization, like contact details, bundle name, bundle symbolic name, or Red app ID, which currently has the value not available as we have not specified any value so far. The rest of the code is divided into directories. Starting from the top, we have assets directory to store Red app assets, code containing files with the code, guides to store guides, I18N, which allows Red app to support more than one language, styles containing stylesheet files, templates to store HTML templates, and tests containing tests. Let's go back for a moment to the code directory. Here we can find context.ts file, index.ts file, and main.ts file. Of these, you should pay attention to the main file, as it contains init method run immediately after web module has been loaded. Usually, we put all the initialization code here.